Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your email address on your Pluto TV's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your email address on Pluto TV, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in my.pluto.tv and make a search. The official page of Pluto TV's account will appear on the screen. Log into your Pluto TV's account using your login credentials and the home page of Pluto TV will appear on the screen. Click on Profile icon at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down, click on Manage Account option. On the next page, click on Update Email. Now enter your new email address. Confirm your new email address by re-entering it and then tap on Update Email option. This is how you can change your email on Pluto TV's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.